Your electrical panel is the heart of your home's electrical system. Power comes in from the utility lines outside, and then it's distributed throughout your home by passing through these circuit breakers. When a circuit breaker trips, it's acting as a safety device to protect your electrical panel from an electrical overload. Electrical overloads could cause damage to appliances and ultimately result in a fire. What creates an electrical overload? Well, the most likely reason is that you have too much plugged in to one outlet. If a circuit breaker trips, try to reset it by turning it to the off position, and then back to the on position. Do this only once. This is important. Don't keep resetting a circuit breaker. If it trips again, it's trying to tell you there's a problem with that line, and it needs to be fixed. In rare circumstances, a circuit breaker will malfunction and not trip immediately or at all. Warning signs include warm outlets, a buzzing sound from your electrical panel, flickering lights, or even a burning smell. Call a licensed electrician immediately, as a fire is a possibility. If you have questions about tripping circuits or would like to schedule an appointment, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.